Hello parents and my dear students. Welcome to the YouTube channel of St. Joseph's Academy. I hope you all are keeping safe and fine. I am Miss Manjul and this video is for class UKG. Subject Moral Science. And today we will be taking the revision of the chapter Food. So without wasting much time, we will directly see the points relating this chapter and the question also. So children, the first point which is given in your book is always take a balanced diet. Children, we should always take a proper diet. That should include vegetables, rice, chapati, pulses, milk, fruits. Okay, so children, we are supposed to take a balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy. So, the first point is always take a balanced diet. Repeat after ma'am. Always take a balanced diet. Always take a balanced diet. Then the second point is take 3 meals a day. We should take our breakfast, lunch and dinner. Children, we should always take breakfast, lunch and dinner. That is 3 meals a day. Take 3 meals a day. Take 3 meals a day. Then children, the next point is take small bites. We should always take small bites of our food so that we can chew it properly. We should never take large amount food in large amount, and we should always take small bites. Small bites of our food we should take. Always take small bites. We should take small bites. Take small bites. Take small bites. Next point is keep your mouth closed while eating. We should always keep our mouth closed while eating, as this is a good manner and the food also doesn't comes out of our mouth, and we should never talk while eating our food. So keep your mouth closed while eating. Keep your mouth closed while eating. Keep your mouth closed while eating. Next point is eat slowly. We should always eat our food slowly and we should chew our food slowly. We should chew our food very much and eat our food slowly so that we can easily digest and we can easily swallow it. We can easily swallow and easily digest it. Okay, so we should eat our food slowly. We should eat our food slowly. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Then the point given is eat with spoon. We should eat our food with spoon, as this is a good manner and it looks nice to eat with a spoon. So we should eat our food with spoon, especially rice and dal. Okay, that is rice and dal we should eat with spoon. Eat with spoon. Eat with spoon. Eat with spoon. Then the next point is never take junk food. Children, we should try to avoid junk food as much as possible, as it makes us unhealthy, ill and fat. So we should avoid junk food. Never take junk food. Never take junk food. Never take junk food. Okay. Then the next point given is drink lots of pure water. Children, we should drink lots of water and that should be pure. The water should be clean and hygienic, and we should drink lots of pure water for better digestion. So the point is drink lots of pure water. Drink lots of pure water. Drink lots of pure water. Then the next point given in the book is don't eat or drink too hot or too cold. We should always take our food in normal temperature, because too hot food can burn our mouth or tongue, and too cold food or water or anything can make us ill, So we should always take our food or water at normal temperature. Don't eat, drink too hot or too cold. Don't eat, drink too hot or too cold. Then children, the next point is don't eat uncovered food. Always take covered food. We should never take uncovered food. As you can see in the picture, the flies comes over it and they leave germs and dirt over the food, and when you consume that food, when you eat that dirty food, you may get ill. So we should always take covered food. So the point is don't eat uncovered food. Don't eat uncovered food. Repeat after ma'am. Don't eat uncovered food. Don't eat uncovered food. Then children, the next point given is don't waste food. And this is the most important point according to me. You should never waste your food, as so many poor people are there who are not getting the food to eat. So children, whatever your mother gives you, you should always have it and never waste the food. So the point is don't waste food. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Then comes the last point, which is always take healthy food. Children, you should always take healthy food in your diet. You should always include fruits, vegetables, milk. So many children, they don't drink milk. That is a very bad habit of not drinking milk. Drinking milk is very good for your health. So you should always eat healthy food. Whatever your mother gives you, you should always have everything, because that everything given by mother is healthy. So always eat healthy food. Always eat healthy food. Always eat healthy food. So children, now we will revise the question answer. So repeat after ma'am. What is morning meal? Morning meal is breakfast. What is morning meal? Morning meal is breakfast. What is morning meal? Morning meal is breakfast. What is afternoon meal? Afternoon meal is lunch. What is afternoon meal? Afternoon meal is lunch. What is afternoon meal? Afternoon meal is lunch. What is evening meal? Evening meal is dinner. What is evening meal? Evening meal is dinner. What is evening meal? Evening meal is dinner. So these are the 3 questions from this chapter, and now we will see yes and no. Okay, yes and no. You have to say yes or no for the sentence. So the first sentence is wash your hands before and after meals. हमें अपने हैंड वॉश करने चाहिए खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद. Yes, this sentence is correct. So we will say yes. Wash your hands before and after meals. Yes. Wash your hands before and after meals. Yes. Eat junk food. जंक फूड खाना चाहिए. No. Eat junk food. No. Eat junk food. No. Take a bath once in a week. No. हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक बार नहाना चाहिए? नो. टेक अ बाथ वंस इन अ वीक? नो. टेक अ बाथ वंस इन अ वीक? नो. Wash your hands before and after meals? Yes. Eat junk food? No. Take a bath once in a week? No. So children, these were the question answer, yes and no, and you have to revise 4 sentence also from this chapter for good habits relating food from this chapter. So this is it for the revision of this chapter food, and we will covering the revision of the next chapter in the upcoming video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.